Hello, Phil and Magic Momo present Learn by Studying the Champions. In this lesson we are going to look at techniques used by champion Nicola Wilderman and her dog, Devon Jim freaking awesome. Nicola came in first at the Crufts 2022 Final Dog Agility Trial for dogs of intermediate height. And before we watch Nicola and Devon Jim, we'll take a look at an animation of the course. Suggestion: as you watch the animation, make a sketch of the course on a piece of paper and practice memorizing it. You may need to rewind this video a few times to do that. Here's a preview of some of Nicola's cool techniques. She uses a distinctive setup at the start line and taps Devon Jim's nose before walking out. She walks out, smiles, raises her hand, points a finger in the air. She lowers her hand and runs toward obstacle number 2, the dog walk. After the dog walk, she guides her dog to a jump. Then cues the next obstacle by running toward it. She stays ahead of her dog and cues the teeter, as Devon Jim takes obstacle number 4, another jump. After the A-frame, not shown, she stands near a jump, to promote a sharp turn to the right. Later in the course, she sends Devon Jim past the weaves to a tunnel, not shown. Then she turns and runs to her left. This lets Nicola position herself to lead Devon Jim into the weave poles. Notice the two-hand lead. While Devon Jim handles the weaves, Nicola dashes to the next obstacle and gives a cool two-hand cue. She then moves her left hand very low, by Devon Jim's nose. As Devon Jim takes the jump, Nicola dashes to the next obstacle. The rest of the course is straightforward, and Nicola demonstrates her professionalism by running through the final obstacle. Tip: avoid slowing down as you approach the final obstacle, a mistake many beginners make. I've learned a lot by analyzing Nicola's performance. Now it's your turn to see this amazing run.
Zest, the last dog to go, and Nicola Wilderman. 6 years of age, border collie, runner-up in the jumping, runner-up in the agility. Can she go one better this time round? Over that U-move jump, over the seesaw, great jumping style and that pace too. Going really well so far, Nicola and Zest flying through the tunnel. Quick turn, beautiful leap that. This is a sensational round at the moment and it is really quick. Hardly any second drop. Will they beat that time? Will they come through and nick it at the end? Okay, over that long jump, it's going to be so close. It is going to be so close. They've done it. They have done it. Nicola Wilderman coming through right at the end. A sensational round that from Nicola Wilderman. Absolutely sensational and Zest. Brilliant.